In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone in need of creating compelling presentations, owning the latest version of PowerPoint can significantly enhance your ability to communicate your ideas effectively. So, let's dive into the simple process of purchasing or renewing your PowerPoint subscription without any further ado. First and foremost, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. For many of you, this could be as simple as clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or searching for PowerPoint in your computer's search bar. Once the application is open and running, you're ready for the next step. Now that PowerPoint is open, our next step is to go ahead and open any file. This might seem a bit counterintuitive. Why open a file if we're here to buy the software? Well, this step is crucial because it gives us access to the menu options we need to update our subscription. You can open any document, whether it's a new blank presentation or an existing file. Don't worry, we're not going to make any changes to your document. After you have your file opened, navigate your way to the File section located at the top left corner of your screen. The File menu is essentially your gateway to a variety of administrative tasks related to your document and the PowerPoint application itself, ranging from saving and opening files to adjusting options and account settings. This brings us directly into the heart of our process. Once you're in the File menu, your attention should now go to the Account option, which you can find towards the bottom of the list on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Account will bring up details related to your Microsoft Office suite, including information about the product you have installed and your subscription status. This area is crucial for the next steps as it allows you to manage and update your license. In the Account section, you should now see an option that reads Update License. Clicking on this button is your gateway to renewing or purchasing your PowerPoint subscription. The Update License option is straightforward and designed to guide you through the necessary steps to ensure your software is up to date. This is essential as having the latest version of PowerPoint not only provides you with the newest features, but also with important security updates. The final step in the process is to sign in and renew your subscription. Once you click Update License, you'll be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account. This is the account associated with your Office subscription. If you don't remember your login details, now would be a good time to recover your account or reset your password. Once logged in, you will be presented with options to renew your PowerPoint subscription. This might include choosing different subscription packages that suit your needs, whether you're looking for a personal, professional, or educational plan. Keep in mind that purchasing or renewing your PowerPoint subscription through this method means you're also accessing the broader suite of Office applications such as Word, Excel, and others, depending on your chosen plan. This integrated approach ensures you have a comprehensive set of tools at your fingertips for all your productivity needs. A few additional tips to enhance your experience. Always make sure you're connected to a reliable internet source throughout this process to avoid any interruptions. Also, consider exploring different subscription options. Microsoft often offers a variety of plans tailored to different user needs, including single-user plans, family plans, and special pricing for students and educators. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to buying or renewing your PowerPoint subscription directly through the PowerPoint application itself. This process, designed to be user-friendly and swift, ensures that you spend less time managing your subscription and more time creating impactful presentations. Remember, keeping your software up to date is not just about accessing the latest features, it's also about ensuring that your data is protected through the latest security updates. So, take these few minutes to update your license, and you'll be set to craft presentations that captivate and communicate effectively. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Happy presenting and see you next time for more helpful tutorials.